Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards and see what we get today. Listen. You're being asked to listen to your inner voice. It's being guiding you to do something or say something, and it's time to act on its wisdom. Compassion. Compassion is the warmth of the soul. Give it to others and yourself. And what else do we need to hear? It's pretty artwork. Unicorn. Purity number 45. Have you been seeing unicorns lately? Do a search on that and see what pops out. And our last card for today before we go to our quotes. Abundance. I am abundant in all areas of my life. I trust that the universe will provide for me and that all of my needs will be met. I am grateful for the abundance that flows to me. I am patient with myself as I work through old patterns of fear and unhealthy coping mechanisms that block me from experience health, joy, and love. Be present, slow down, let go of the busyness and frantic pace of life. Explore your roots, honor your past, and go deep. Reflect on your life. I show up for myself, especially when the going gets rough. I sit through the fire, the emotional burning, without reaching for an easy way out. The past is behind you. Everything is changing. It's time to launch a new cycle, a new project. With care, miracles can abound. I am willing to give and receive love effortlessly and freely. I am worthy of all the love this life has to offer, and I am deserving of receiving it fully. Embrace your innocence. Let go of the heavy responsibilities. Give yourself a break. Nurture your spirit by doing something fun. Joy is as important for sustaining yourself as the food you eat. And the last one today. I am ready and willing to let go of past hurts. I choose to transform all resentments into compassion through the healing power of love. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.